Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming that Power Query, Get and Transform, is available in your Excel. This ensures access to robust query tools. Next, identify the source range or file and note key column headers and data types so you can shape results precisely. Then, with the data selected, choose Data Get Data or from Table/Range to load into the query editor. Once loaded, you're ready to apply filters, transforms, and trims to craft the exact dataset you need. Once in the query editor, start shaping data. Remove unused columns, correct data types, and trim whitespace so operations behave predictably. Use filters and sort to isolate records, then group by or pivot/unpivot to change table shape when analyzing aggregates or normalized layouts. If you need external context, merge or append queries to combine tables. Also add calculated or conditional columns to derive new values. This makes downstream, and you finish by choosing Load to Table, Pivot Table, or the data model and set Refresh behavior. This determines how results update when source data changes. Make sure to validate row and column counts against the original source after loading and set Scheduled Refresh if required. If something breaks, open the Applied Steps pane and inspect the step that caused the error. Common fixes are type mismatches, missing columns, or wrong merges. Correct the step, apply changes, and refresh to confirm the query now runs cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.